Oh my god, look at this. I got some PR from Youth to the People, so let's unbox this. I love Youth to the People. And it's funny because I just did Empty's review on one of their products. I'm so excited about this. They sent me their Hydrate and Glow Dream Body Butter. I'm obsessed with body butter. I love their packaging. I love that it looks so clean and simple. I'm so excited. This is big. I love their packaging. It's always like glass. I'm pretty sure this is glass. A glass? Like ceramic? I don't know. But it's nice and it's heavy and it feels luxurious. Yes. She's thick. Oh my god, and it smells so good. My fiance also loves Youth to the People. They had sent me a moisturizer and a face wash and he loves it, so he's gonna love this too. Even though he doesn't really use body butters, maybe he'll start. Maybe I won't have to share this. I just washed my hands too, so let's try some of this. This feels so luxurious. I cannot wait to take a shower and rub this literally all over my body. This is like what you put on after an everything shower when you're just going all in, you know? Thank you, Youth to the People.